How to get $100 Pizza Hut promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Pizza Hut promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Pizza Hut. For instance, I'm gonna head towards this one website option, couponfollow.com. You can also check out this one website. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers: 30% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Pizza Hut. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out other website. Let me check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Pizza Hut. Just scroll down and check out the offers: 40% off, 25% off, and many more. So this is how you can easily get $100 off Pizza Hut promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.